Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between 2 plates. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass, or it will crack. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Saute. Saute the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Saute. Saute the onions and garlic in olive oil until they are translucent. Stir. Stir the risotto constantly to prevent it from sticking. Melt. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Feel. Feel the dough to check if it's soft and elastic. Break. Please break the eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Spread. Spread the peanut butter evenly on the bread. Layer. Layer the lasagna sheets with the meat, sauce, and cheese. Roll out. Roll out the dough to make thin pizza crust. Add. Add the spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. Mix. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ones to make the batter. Grate. Grate the cheese over the pasta for extra creaminess. Fry. Fry the chicken in hot oil until it turns golden brown. Whip. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Taste. Taste the soup to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Chop. Chop the vegetables into small pieces for the stir-fry. Cut. Cut the cake into equal-sized slices. Slice. Slice the cucumber thinly for the salad. Bake. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. Diced. Add the diced tomatoes to the simmering sauce. Roast. Roast the chicken at 400 until it's cooked through. Boil. Boil the pasta in salted water until al dente.
Steam.
Steam the vegetables until they are tender. Barbecue. Barbecue the ribs on the grill until they are charred and tender. Drink. Drink a glass of water while waiting for the food to cook. Serve. Serve the soup with a garnish of fresh herbs. Cook. Cook the steak to your desired level of doneness. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.